Hello friends, back again with me on the Young Boy channel. In front of us there are 3 large trucks, red and yellow. This time we will look again for toys in our friends' gardens. For those of you who are curious, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and comment. Let's go straight to the video. Let's go straight to the... Wow! Finally, there is a toy, guys! After we have been traveling around for a long time, we finally got it! Let's take it straight away, but before continuing, don't forget to click like and subscribe first. Wow, let's take this one first. Wow, we found an ancient animal, namely the Brontosaurus. It is green. We take it again. There is also a toy racing horse here. This racing horse is brown in color. We take it again. Whoa, this is a Ceratops animal. We take it again. Whoa, there is an orange-colored Stegosaurus. We take it again. Wow, there are animals that like to produce milk, namely white and black cows. We take it again. Whoa, and it turns out there is this. This is a racehorse or racing horse. And this is an ancient animal, namely Spinosaurus. This Spinosaurus is yellow. We take it again. Wow, there is the biggest animal in the ocean, namely the blue whale. We take it again. Wow, and here is another ancient animal, namely the Stegosaurus. We take it again. Whoa, this one is the millipede caterpillar's toy. We take it again. Wow, and this is a predatory animal, namely a crocodile. Look at its very sharp teeth. We take it again. Whoa, look guys, this is a green dragon, very good once. Wow, look at the 2 remaining trucks that haven't been filled with toys. We take it again. Whoa, this is a Ceratops animal. We take it again. Wow, I found a mountain goat. We take it again. Whoa, and here is a white farm horse. We take it again. There was a camel carrying a lot of goods and he was sitting... We take it again. Wow, and this is a very large elephant animal. We take it again. Whoa, and this is an extinct animal, namely the red dragon. We take it again. Wow, we found an ancient animal, namely the Brontosaurus. Wow, and here is a blue dolphin. And this is a yellow duck. This camel is orange in color. Wow, the buffalo plows the fields. Whoa, we meet again with a cool orange racing horse. Okay, guys, we got a lot of toys. Let's take it home right away. Don't forget to click like, subscribe, and comment, guys. See you, bye-bye.